I don't do slow mornings, and neither does this address. And if your idea of Florida living is on the move, then this address is for you. Nature walk before breakfast, tennis when the sun drops, laps in the pool, a spin in the fitness room, and when you want sand, the beach is 10 minutes out. Gated so you play hard and lock up easy. Inside, 3 bedrooms, and everyone has its own ensuite bath, guests included. The primary's downstairs so you skip the stairs after a long match. Office, loft, and room to spread out. When it's time to rest, the screened patio with the lake as your backdrop and that coastal breeze remind you why you chose here. Enjoy Florida living at 4585 Bridgepointe Way. The only thing missing from this home is you.